Hey, I want to introduce you to our kind Lexians around the world. Are you ready, Morena?
Oh my gosh, really? Where are they from?
Well, I told you, from around the world, and some of them are from your origin, Sumatra.
Wow, I have friends from my homeland. I cannot think about that.
Oh, yes, dear. Now, please introduce yourself to them.
Alright. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum guys. I am Morena from Sumatran. My real name is Elefas Maximus Sumatranus. Nice to meet you all.
So, would you tell me a little bit about elephants in the world?
I have a story. No. I have cousins. They are from Africa. And they're much bigger than me.
Sumatran elephants are commonly 1.7 till 2.6 meters tall, while the ones from Africa are mostly 3.3 meters tall. Can't you imagine how tall they are? Yes, they are very tall, then even taller than you. Also, if you compare us in weight, Sumatran elephants like me can be up to 5 tons.
What?
5 tons. 5 tons? Come on, don't tell my weight.
And you know what? I want to tell you that in Riau, you can find Sumatran elephants in some places.
Wow, really? Can you tell me or can you mention where I can find elephants like you in Riau?
Yes. First, in Kerumutan Reserve Forest. You can also find in some other place called Rimbo Tarantang Riau. But don't you know one sad story about us?
Sad story? What is that?
This is so sad story because Sumatran elephants are now in a critical situation.
Well, what do you mean?
Our population is going down, and now it is only 2,400 until 2,800 Sumatran elephants in this world.
Oh, that's a serious issue, really. I'm sorry to hear that.
Yes. That's why we are in the state of critically endangered animals.
Oh dear, so sad. But look, I believe and I positively believe that many bodies concerning about the wildlife and nature, and they are now putting effort to help your family's existence.
Amen to that. Oh my gosh, I started to be crying again.
No, I don't want you to be sad. From now on, you can come to my channel and talk about many good things around, and we have fun with that. What do you think about that?
Okay, I agree. Thank you so much, Lexie. Thank you, Lexie. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy now.